Good morning, Gino and Sharon T. Just wanted to share about our wonderful SunSetter Awning we have here at the house. We contacted Galaxy when we first found it and just loved it. From start to finish, the sales team came out, they looked at it, kind of gave us some ideas, helped us pick the color. The installation crew came out, got it done, very impressive, and then even the follow-up was great. They made sure we were happy. Can't say enough about Galaxy. You know, the SunSetter product is great, but Galaxy really pushes that extra effort to follow up with their customers. Really enjoy it a lot.